Making the right health decisions can be challenging. However, with a complete range of products and many solutions, wet wipes are better than dry tissue alone. In addition, it allows you to take care of your family with confidence. Flushable wipes are sturdier than toilet paper. The moisture helps the cleaning process by effectively removing anything unwanted, giving you a fresher toilet experience. We've researched, reviewed, and picked 5 of the top flushable wipes for your perusal. All you need to do is find out which among them suits your lifestyle and needs. Are you ready? Then let's start checking them out one at a time. At number 1 are the Equate Fresh Scent Flushable Wipes. These flushable wipes are soft, fresh-scented wet wipes. They provide a gentle, effective clean for your skin and feel confident and refreshingly clean. Traditional wet wipes are from coarse fabrics that do not break down in the water and can potentially cause extensive damage to your septic system. These incredible wet wipes easily break apart. Some of the ingredients included are chloride phosphate, water, acetate, citric acid, glycerin, chamomilla rheumatica, flower extract, fragrance, and aloe. After flushing, it reduces the chance for blockages in the waste management system. These flushable wipes are excellent for sensitive skin. They're hypoallergenic and free of alcohol and parabens. It's also infused with vitamin E and soothing aloe extract that's perfect for ultra moisturizing cleanliness. These amazing products are great for any time you need a quick cleanup. These affordable wipes come in a value pack containing 5 packages with 48 wipes each, and it totals 240 wipes. It has an easy-to-use resealable peeling pack that ensures the wipes stay moist and allows easy access whenever you need them. Toilet paper breaks down quickly, but in independent lab testing it shows that these incredible wipes also meet the India Flushable Product Guidelines. Ignoring disposal instructions, though, may lead to clogs, property damage, or regulatory violations. At number 2 are the Cottonelle Flushable Wet Wipes. This refill pack comes with 168 total wipes. The flushable wipes are designed for toilets and tested by professional plumbers. It's the only flushable wipes endorsed by the wastewater utility. These wipes are amazingly made with plant-based fibers and free of plastic. This product is 100% flushable and immediately starts to break down after flushing. It can make them sewer safe and septic safe. Plus, it has cleaning ripples in the texture that provides softness while removing more at once per sheet for a refreshing clean versus the leading national value brands. These incredible wipes are also alcohol-free, paraben-free, dye-free, and contain no harsh chemicals. It's also sustainably sourced for responsible managed forests. These products are highly recommended for everyday use, hygiene, or potty training toddlers. It's also available in peel and reseal soft packs, flip-top lids, refillable tubs, refill packs, and on-the-go convenient travel packs to meet all of your needs. So what are you waiting for? Stock up now and save. These flushable wipes in bulk get delivered right to your doorstep. To avoid the danger of suffocation using this product, keep the bag away from babies and children. Dispose of the plastic divider inside the bag properly and do not use or flush the divider. There you have our first 2 flushable wet wipes. If you have any comments or questions, just leave them in the comment box and we'll take care of them immediately. We still have 3 more items on our list, but before we continue, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to tap on the bell icon to get instant notification when we upload new reviews. And now let's continue with our list. At number 3 are the Parents' Choice Flushable Wipes. They come in 6 packs of 48 each, totaling 288 sheets. These flushable wet wipes are very safe and gentle on the skin while providing a deep clean. It's made with 100% plant-based material, it's dermatologist tested, and pH balanced. These wet wipes are also free from parabens, dyes, phthalates, and alcohol. These affordable wipes are ideally used by your children in the middle of potty training. It's also extremely convenient to dispose of because they can be flushed after washing, leaving no additional mess for you to clean. In addition, these technological wipes are tested and proven to be safe for well-maintained sewers and septics. It is not recommended for use with basement pump systems. It's packaged in a box that contains 6 packs, each having 48 wipes, to ensure you have plenty to get the job done. These wipes are easier to clean, better than the bathroom tissue alone. They contain things like water, gluconic acid, sodium benzoate, fragrance, citric acid, root extract, flower extract, and aloe leaf juice. these highly recommended wipes have become parent-approved winning products selected based on quality, ease of use, and value for the money. They were rated by today's parent readers, editors, and industry leaders. At number 4 are the Dude Wipes Flushable Wet Wipes. These unscented 4-packs of 48 wipes total 192 total wipes. The amazing Dude Wipes are made with plant-based fibers and are certified sewer and septic safe. Being fragrance-free, you won't get blindsided by a load of lavender, but you'll feel fresher than ever. These kinds of wipes are certified as some of the best flushable wipes on the market. They can be used as toilet paper substitute. These affordable wipes have 4 dispenser packs for that 192 total count. It's also TSA approved individually wrapped single packs for great travel. These natural wipes are made with plant-based fibers and are certified flushable to break down and disperse, being sewer and septic approved. These wipes are 25% larger than average flushable wet wipes. Being unscented and paraben-free, they also have soothing aloe and vitamin E for a fresh care formulated for sensitive areas. These winning wipes get a Visionary Award at the Vision 2013 Consumer Products Conference. These incredible wipes are also great for a quick wipe of the face, hands, or armpits. Try to keep these commercial wipes out of the reach of children unless they're supervised. Last but not least, at number 5 is the Nice and Clean Flushable Wet Wipes. They come in 5 packs of 60 wipes apiece, totaling 300 wipes. These flushable wipes have aloe and vitamin E and are softer than regular toilet paper. They're also septic safe. They're made with EcoFlush technology and 100% plant-based fibers. These amazing wipes have well-maintained sewer and septic systems as a complement to toilet paper. They're thick and flushable, being soft and strong. These fabulous wipes are easily flushed in any well-maintained septic system. They're made of stylish packaging and have a resealable moisture lock lid to dispense and store wipes quickly and easily. These wet wipes are great for toddlers, cleaning up spills, or helping to make potty training easier. The perfect wipes are great as a toilet paper complement. You'll feel it's much softer than toilet paper, along with being flushable and cleaner. These wipes are also proven to pass through sewer systems and are compatible with wastewater treatment plants. They have the resealable moisture lock lid that's convenient and discreet. These septic-safe flushable wipes aren't just of high quality, they're also comfortable and easy to use. These affordable wipes have 5 pouches in a 5-pack and are equipped with the easy-to-open resealable dispenser. Anyone can easily open the lid, take a wipe, and close it again with a single hand. They're nice, clean, flushable wipes that work great along with other products for simple, discreet packaging for adult wipes. Caring for your family as well as the earth is very important. That's why these wipes are designed with gentle, sustainable materials. You'll love the simple ingredient list that these wipes have and the fact that they themselves are made from 100% plant fibers, so they're completely biodegradable. For more videos just like this one, hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to keep you updated of our newest reviews. Also, if you have any products in mind you'd like to see us review in the future, just let us know and our team will get to work. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time right here at the ReviewTube channel.